Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the evolutionary advantages of seeds. Now, as you are aware that seeds and pollen are the most important evolutionary adaptation of higher plants on dry land. Now, seed is covered by a storage tissue to sustain initial growth, and presence of a thick protective coat give it a superior evolutionary advantage. Now, seed plants appeared about 1 million years ago during the Carboniferous period. When we talk about the evolution of seeds, there were two major innovations. First, the development of seeds, and the other one is the development of pollens. Now, seed is more evolutionary point. In evolutionary point of view, seed has more advantage as compared to pollens. Like it has the ability to protect the embryo from the desiccation, and it has the ability to provide it with a store of nutrients in order to support the early growth of sporophytes. In higher plants, sporophyte is the dominant generation when we talk about the life cycle of higher plants. Now, seed also provides some evolutionary advantages over spores. First thing is that it has the ability to remain dormant even in a toughest of soils, even in toughest of unfavorable conditions, and it germinates when conditions becomes favorable. Now, it also have supplied a supply of stored food, which can be used in order to promote its early growth. The other thing is that it has the ability to be transported at long distances by wind or by the animals through different means. Now, seed also contain an embryo that also has the ability to remain dormant for indefinite period of time before it develops into a diploid sporophyte upon getting the favorable conditions. Seeds are transported either by wind, by water, or by animals to encourage reproduction and to reduce competition with the parent plants which have produced them. So these things make it to adapt to the far-flung areas and from the parents plants, far area from the parents plants. Several layers of hardened tissues prevent it from desiccation, and it has also made it free from the need of constant supply of water, which was used to send pollens from male part to the female part. So these higher plants, they have overcome this dependency of water, and they have successfully developed these seeds which can help them withstand the unfavorable conditions and which help them to germinate into a sporophyte upon getting the favorable circumstances.